Hello learners. It's great to see you again. In this video, we will learn more about how we can separate an insoluble solid from a liquid. Before we start, can anyone tell me how do you think we can separate an insoluble solid from a liquid?
I know. We can separate insoluble solids from a liquid by pouring out the liquid.
But teacher, are there other ways to separate insoluble solids from a liquid?
Well,
Let's find out.
For this experiment, you will need a beaker of muddy water, a plastic bottle, a piece of filter paper, and a filter funnel. To set up, place the bottle on a flat surface. Then, fold the piece of filter paper into half before folding it into half again. By opening a side of the filter paper, you form a cone. Lastly, place that filter paper inside the filter funnel before fitting the filter funnel over the bottle. We are now ready for the experiment. Fill half of the filter with muddy water and leave the setup aside for 10 minutes. Observe the color of the water that is in the bottle. Pause and compare the water in the bottle to the water in the beaker.
The water in the bottle is clearer than the muddy water in the beaker.
Pause and observe the filter paper. What can you observe on the filter paper?
There are also some soil particles left on the filter paper.
Yes, that's right. The filter paper has trapped some soil particles from the muddy water. Hence the water that flows through it contains less soil particles and is much cleaner than the muddy water in the beaker. This method is known as filtration. Great job on completing the video. I hope to see you soon.